Have you ever felt like your legs are getting weaker, even though you're eating your veggies every day? What if I told you that some vegetables, the ones you've always thought were healthy, might actually be harming your body after the age of 60? It may sound surprising, but it's true. Certain vegetables can silently trigger inflammation, interfere with blood flow to your legs, and even speed up cognitive decline without you ever realizing it. And here's the shocking part. Most seniors eat these veggies every single week, believing they're doing the right thing for their health. But today, we're going to clear up the confusion, once and for all. Based on the latest research and years of experience working with seniors, we'll reveal 3 vegetables you should never touch after 60, and 3 vegetables you must eat to protect your legs, brain, and independence. Do you eat vegetables every day? Comment yes or no below, and share your favorite veggie with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell, so you never miss a life-changing tip for healthy aging. Let's dive in. You might be shocked by what's hiding in your fridge right now. Part 1. Eggplant, the hidden culprit. Behind joint pain and weak legs. What if a vegetable praised for being low-calorie and heart-healthy was actually making it harder for you to walk? That's exactly the concern with eggplant, a common ingredient in many senior diets that may be silently undermining your joint health and balance. Eggplant contains a natural compound called solanine. While harmless in small amounts for most people, solanine can trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals, especially those over 60 who already deal with arthritis, chronic muscle pain, or poor nerve function. The symptoms might not appear right away, but over time, frequent consumption of eggplant can cause increased joint stiffness, nagging pain in the knees or hips, decreased neuromuscular coordination, meaning your brain and muscles don't talk as smoothly as before. And this matters because that coordination is what keeps you steady on your feet. One of the most surprising facts: cooking doesn't fully eliminate solanine. Whether it's grilled, baked, or stewed, the compound remains. And so does the risk for seniors with sensitivities. Many seniors think it's a vegetable, so it must be healthy. That's a common mistake, and one we want to help you avoid. So, what can you eat instead? Try zucchini or mushrooms. Both are gentle on the joints, full of antioxidants, and easy to digest for aging systems. And don't worry, we're just getting started. The next vegetable might be even more surprising because it's colorful, crunchy, and often praised as a healthy snack. But beneath that fresh exterior lies a hidden risk you'll want to know about. Let's take a closer look. Part 2. Green bell peppers, the fresh look that fuels inflammation. They're bright, crunchy, and often tossed into salads or stir-fries to add a pop of color. But green bell peppers, though they look like a healthy choice, may not be your friend after 60. Here's why. Green bell peppers belong to the nightshade family and are naturally high in lectins. These are plant proteins that, in some people, can bind to the lining of the gut and interfere with how the body absorbs nutrients. For younger people with strong digestion, this might not be an issue, but for seniors whose digestive and immune systems are often more delicate, lectins can quietly trigger chronic low-grade inflammation, especially in the legs and feet. This inflammation may not scream for attention, but it shows up as mild tingling in your toes, stiffness in your ankles, sudden feelings of imbalance. Sound familiar? What makes it worse is that green peppers contain fewer antioxidants compared to their red, orange, and yellow counterparts. So, not only do you risk inflammation, you miss out on the protection those other peppers provide. If you still love peppers, don't worry. You don't have to give them up entirely. Just consider switching to ripe red or yellow bell peppers, which are richer in antioxidants and much gentler on aging systems. Or try bok choy, a tender, easy-to-digest green packed with vitamin C and bone-supporting nutrients. And if you do eat green bell peppers, make sure to cook them thoroughly to help reduce their lectin content. So, here's a fun question. Which do you prefer, green or red peppers? Comment green or red below. Let's see which side wins. Now, if you think that was surprising, wait until you hear about the last vegetable on our never list. It's one of the most beloved foods in America, warm, comforting, and served at almost every dinner table. But it could be silently draining your strength from the inside out. Part 3. White potatoes, comfort food that silently weakens you. What if one of the most comforting foods on your plate was quietly harming your blood vessels and balance? That's the case with white potatoes, a staple in many American meals, from mashed to baked to golden fries. But while they feel familiar and satisfying, white potatoes can be a hidden threat to seniors over 60. Here's why. White potatoes are packed with simple carbohydrates that spike your blood sugar quickly. These spikes lead to inflammation, especially in your blood vessels and peripheral nerves, the very systems that help keep your legs strong and responsive. For seniors, this can mean slower healing, tingling or numbness in the feet, increase the risk of falls and circulation problems. And if you're managing diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease, frequent potato consumption can quietly work against the progress you've made. Another issue? Many people think of potatoes as a vegetable, and technically they are. But nutritionally, they behave more like refined sugar than a healthy root vegetable. Compared to sweet potatoes, carrots, or butternut squash, white potatoes lack the antioxidants and fiber that protect aging bodies from oxidative stress and blood sugar crashes. So, what's the better option? Try swapping your white potatoes with roasted sweet potato wedges, steamed carrots, or a bowl of soft spiced squash. These alternatives still offer comfort and warmth, but with benefits that support your legs, heart, and brain. So, here's a question for you. How many times a week do you eat white potatoes? Comment the number below. We're doing a community health check-in for our senior viewers. Now that you've learned about the 3 vegetables you should avoid, it's time for the good news. There are also 3 incredible vegetables that can help you regain strength, boost memory, and keep your independence longer. Let's move on to the ones that truly deserve a spot on your plate. Part 4. Broccoli, the natural armor that strengthens you. What if one small cup of vegetables a day could protect your brain, your bones, and your legs all at once? That's the quiet power of broccoli. It might not be flashy, but it is truly one of the most powerful allies for seniors who want to age with strength, stability, and independence. Broccoli is packed with a compound called sulforaphane, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce swelling in joints, boosts blood circulation, and protects your nerves and bones from degeneration. In fact, research suggests that sulforaphane may reduce the risk of stroke and support cognitive health by promoting blood flow to the brain. What's more, broccoli is rich in vitamin K and calcium, 2 key nutrients that help prevent osteoporosis, one of the most common conditions affecting seniors over 60. Strong bones are essential for stable steps and avoiding fractures. And it doesn't stop there. Broccoli also enhances leg strength by supporting healthy circulation to the lower body. When your legs receive enough oxygen and nutrients, you walk steadier with more confidence and energy. But preparation matters. To preserve its sulforaphane and make it easy to digest, lightly steam your broccoli instead of overcooking it. Just a few minutes is all it takes to keep the nutrients intact and the texture enjoyable. Some people ask if kale can replace broccoli. While kale is nutritious too, it's often more bitter and harder to digest, especially for older adults with sensitive stomachs. So, what's the best way to enjoy broccoli? We recommend 1 small cup a day, whether steamed as a side, added to a stir fry, or tossed into soup. Coming up next, another green leafy hero that not only boosts your strength, but also sharpens your mind. Stay with us. The best is yet to come. 5. Spinach, the hidden fuel for circulation and memory. Would you believe that a single handful of spinach each day could help sharpen your memory and revive tired legs? It sounds almost too simple, but that's the quiet magic of this leafy green. Spinach is rich in natural nitrates, which help expand your blood vessels and improve circulation. For seniors over 65, this means better oxygen flow to the brain and muscles, especially in the legs and feet, where poor blood flow often causes fatigue, weakness, or tingling. It doesn't stop there. Spinach also provides lutein and folate, 2 essential nutrients known to protect brain health. These compounds help improve memory, reduce brain fog, and keep the mind sharp as we age. Multiple studies suggest that older adults who consume more lutein have better cognitive performance and faster mental processing. And here's something many people don't realize. Spinach supports eye health, too. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the macula, the central part of your retina, and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in seniors. But let's clear up a common mistake. Spinach isn't just a salad green. Sure, it's great raw, but it's also delicious when lightly sautéed, blended into smoothies, or stirred into soups. These gentle cooking methods preserve its nutrients and make it easier to digest, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. Personally, I like adding a handful of spinach to my morning eggs or blending it with banana and Greek yogurt for a refreshing smoothie. It's one of the easiest health upgrades you can make, and your body will thank you for it. Have you ever cooked something with spinach? Comment your favorite spinach dish below. We'd love to hear your recipe ideas. Coming up next is the final vegetable, and it might just be the most powerful one of all. Stay with us. You won't want to miss this last tip. 6. Carrots, the vision and balance booster for seniors. Your eyesight, your balance, and even your legs, all protected by something as humble and sweet as a carrot? Absolutely. Carrots are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, a compound your body converts into vitamin A, which is essential for retina health and clear vision. For seniors, this isn't just about reading the paper. It's about avoiding dangerous falls, driving safely, and staying independent. But the benefits of carrots go beyond eyesight. Carrots contain antioxidants that support the nervous system and help with neuromuscular coordination. That means the signals from your brain to your legs and back are faster and more accurate, helping you maintain balance and avoid missteps. In fact, studies show that diets rich in vitamin A are linked to lower fall risk in older adults. There's more. Carrots are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and improves digestion. Many seniors struggle with unstable blood sugar or slow digestion, and this simple vegetable can be a tasty natural helper. Now, some people ask, what about radishes or other root vegetables? Radishes are good, but they're not as rich in vitamin A. Carrots stand out because of their unique mix of eye, brain, and gut support. So, how should you eat them? Carrots are extremely versatile. Eat them raw as a snack, lightly steamed for dinner, or blended into a smoothie with ginger and orange for a refreshing twist. Personally, I like keeping a small bag of carrot sticks in the fridge, perfect for a midday boost without any guilt. Do you prefer your carrots raw or cooked? Comment raw or cooked below. We'd love to hear your preference. And now that you've discovered all 6 vegetables, the good and the bad, let's bring it all together with a quick recap and a few tips on how to use this knowledge starting today. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. 3 vegetables to avoid after 60. Eggplant, green bell peppers, and white potatoes. They might look innocent or even feel comforting, but they can quietly chip away at your strength, balance, and independence. 3 vegetables to eat daily: broccoli, spinach, and carrots. They fuel your circulation, protect your memory, and help you walk tall every day. Remember, every meal is a decision about your future. The vegetables you put on your plate don't just feed your body. They shape your ability to stay active, live independently, and cherish precious time with your loved ones. Do you know someone you care about who still eats these 3 harmful vegetables without knowing? Please share this video with them. A single share might just protect their legs, their heart, or even their freedom. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next senior health tip. And tell us in the comments below, which of these 6 vegetables surprised you the most? Stay strong, stay informed, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.